G'day viewers, well, finally get around to fixing this heater. Now, there's a 32 amp breaker in the meter box, labelled heater, but there's one of these very same heaters in the master bedroom. That's only for that heater, that breaker, 32 amp breaker. This particular heater is on the light circuit, on a 16 amp breaker. Now why I've done that, I have no idea. Would have made more sense to wire this in the master bedroom on the same 32 amp breaker. But anyway, there's a date code in the motor, 15th of December 1978. This motor has a spun bearing. Now it doesn't want to turn. I've got the power turned off, of course. The camera's not going to pick it up, but the whole bearing on that shuttered pole motor is actually spinning. The brass bearing is actually spinning in the housing. See up here where I'm pointing to the camera on that. Just take it on some bloody screws. Here we go, at the top of the video there. You see it there? There's a brass out a bit. That whole brass bearing is actually spinning in the housing altogether. And this motor just won't turn. It just sits there cooking and it trips the thermal overload. Now I probably could, while I'm here, I've got it out of disconnect it all and take it in the shed, give it a blowout, we can press there. It's not too dirty though. I've just I had the power off before and I cleaned this all out with a vacuum cleaner and a brush. It doesn't actually smell of burning crap anymore, so that's good. So I've got to take this all apart and get that brass part to free up and unstick it from the shaft, because that's actually stuck pretty hard on there. I've actually soaked this in WD-42. Put something on that. If it would have screwed up a bit, to stop that from turning. Push on that brass bit. It's stuck pretty hard though, so you're trying to stop the brass bit from spinning. I'll try that method first. Sometimes you can poke this brass bearing on the outside with a sharp point and lock it up so it doesn't actually spin, and then try to free it up that way. If that doesn't work, I'll have to take all this motor out and take that shaft out and give it a good fine sanding, and that'll fix it. I'll try this other method first. No, so I'll fix it. This alone didn't work, but this did. About 4 seconds of brief hot flame of MAC gas, and that got it freed. Had to do it twice though. The first time it wasn't as good, so I had to spray it again and clean all that molten stuff off it, the sticky stuff, and hit it again with the heat, and she's good now. Look at that, that spins nicely. The manufacturer of the motor here, Wernard. Look at that, that's good now. There we go. I'm gonna get some of that electric motor oil now. I've got just oil for that. They should go back together. It's good how they made these things in Australia at last. Just did a bit of a service, and she's all good to go again. Okay. What I've done, I've labelled it correctly. It's a heater, second bedroom. The bathroom IX autastic heat lights, and the fence power point, which is this one, and the one over there in the fence there. Strange why that heater is on this circuit and not on this one, with this one. That's kind of silly, but that's how they've wired it originally. And yes, I've got a deed of shit from Bunnings in there. Eventually this is probably all going to be upgraded anyway, because I want to put, when I put the 3-phase power point in, I want to put a 3-phase breaker here, replace that with a 3-phase breaker, and have all this upgraded with decent breakers. Let's want to save up some more money, get it done properly. That's just a Bunnings job. I don't like that. Bunnings breakers aren't that good. Anyway, that's now it's probably going to smell because there's some dust in the damn thing. I blew all the dust out of it I could, so it's still going to smell a bit when I turn it on. So I'm probably going to open the window. Old heaters normally do smell when that dust burns on the element. The fan's put on fan mode for a start. Fan. We're blowing air. Yep, the motor's going. glowing element starting to glow now. Eventually it's going to get hot all the way through. It's a 10 amp appliance too, 2.4 kilowatt. The thermostat does work too. It's blowing in now. But while I put this heater on the light circuit though, yeah, well, that's how it was back in those days. Yeah, the smell's not as bad now. There's like a little metal tab there. It's always live at the back of the centre there. That's a little tab that actually turns the breaker off, or turns the power off if the fan doesn't work. So it'll just get hot and turn the power off. That's a thermal cutout. It's amazing how this little power light dimmed when I turned it on the high. Because the other heater in the master bedroom, that light didn't dim when I had it on high. It goes to show the light, that's going to dim the lights. Yeah, well, why it's on the light circuit in the very first place, that's original too. So, that's just what they did. Why it's on a light circuit is beyond me. That's a late 70s Australian made Vulcan heater. Made to last. Better than those Chinese heaps of shit. Let it run for a bit. There we go. That's cooled well down now. No more smell. Let that bearing get all nice and old. That's working nice now. That's working nice now. Look at that. Spinning happily. The old burning it with a map gas did the trick. Fed up on an old grease that stuck. Kind of like the grease in the old BSR turntables. That's better. Out of there. Yeah, that's better. Beautiful. All fixed. Thanks for watching.